Hey guys, I'm at the airport today and it's going to be a very exciting day because this is my first international flight in over 2 years. And although it's just to Singapore, it's still an international flight nonetheless. So, Resorts World Sentosa is flying a couple of us for their Minion Land event happening in a few days. So for today, once we land and check in, we're going to do a couple tours, check out the aquarium, and what I'm most excited for is meeting some dolphins, like actually getting in the water with them. Fingers crossed for that. I think it's gonna be a pretty long video, so sit back, relax, and I'm gonna look for my friend Wilson. Hello boss, it's been so long since I saw you.
Yeah, it's not long, I think, what, 2 years?
All good?
Yeah, all good.
Okay guys, we are in the plane and I'll see you all when we reach Singapore. Alright guys, we have arrived at Singapore. This airport never fails to amaze me. We're waiting for our luggage right now and then we're gonna head to the car and to the hotel, so I'll see you guys there.
So what are we going to do next, huh?
We are going to a Hard Rock.
Check into the hotel.
Or what?
Check into the hotel first.
Yeah.
And then we're going to negotiate with them
I'm
to
hungry.
eat first. We're going to negotiate to eat first
Yeah.
instead of going to the tour first.
What you want to eat?
Alright, we have arrived at the hotel. Let's see if I can do this one hand. I can. Oh, very spacious. They gave us 2 queen beds. I'm not sure why. But yeah, here's a very quick overview. I'll have a more detailed tour video coming soon as usual. Now I'm gonna refresh a bit and then we're gonna head to lunch. So I'll see you guys downstairs. It's closed during the day or is it currently closed?
Close today.
Oh, it's closed today. Oh, that's why the globe is not spinning. Haven't seen that in so long. Okay, we've reached our lunch spot. This is the Malaysian food street where we were. I mean, we were in Malaysia like just a couple hours ago. So let's go experience more Malaysian food. Oh, they made it really authentic feeling. All the local stalls, even the signage is so authentic. Okay, so we have ordered and I'm having the nasi lemak chicken. Wilson is having clay pot chicken rice. Kelly is having char kway teow. We're gonna share satay. And I think that's it for now. We'll need about 10 minutes before we can eat the food.
Wait lah, 5 minutes to be fine.
5 minutes? Okay.
A few moments later.
Yes, show me a good example. We are done with lunch and now we're gonna go for the tour of some resorts, hotels, rooms. A tour basically. Is this alright?
Yes.
Wow, we got a buggy.
Our very friendly driver, Kenny.
Hello. Which is the best view? Sit at the back. Yeah, I'm gonna go at the back then. So this is the entrance to the tree house?
Yes. So you can tell, like I said, the tree house like all surrounded with the trees, and it's away from the center of Resorts World.
So the whole place only 2 units.
2 apartments, yes.
Two
Wow,
apartments.
1,800 a night. Wow. How many balconies does this place have?
2 outdoor balconies.
Bada, are you driving?
I'm looking for Kenny.
Okay.
Trust me.
I'm driving then. Is this the villa?
Yes.
Alright. Oh, right in front.
Oh, nice.
Wow! Okay, before we get there, toilet.
Is it?
Is there a massage room?
Massage room.
You have a massage room in the villa? Okay, so we're done doing all the tours of the places just now. I hope you guys liked it. Now it's time for the Sea Aquarium tour. This one? Okay? Yes. We came here the last time that we visited Universal Studios and it still amazes me how big this thing is. Okay, so what am I looking at?
Okay, this is a zebra bullhead shark.
Oh, the adult.
Yes, so they only go up to about this size, and the reason why we call it zebra bonehead sharks is because they have stripes and they have a very high brow bone.
Okay.
See this? Okay, this fish over here is a paddlefish, okay? And its species has
Oh my god, is it?
300 million.
The nose is really long, right?
Yes, the snout is very long.
I need a better view of this. So the species has existed for more than 300
million years, and they are usually being found in places.
It borderline looks like a
It is a
dinosaur.
paddlefish. Yes, and these fishes are usually found in places like the Amazon River. Yeah. Okay, so these are
You
all
know where
fresh
else you can
water.
find this? In my nightmares.
Yeah, clean the habitat. It's more like a suckerfish.
What is it called?
It's like a suckerfish. Yeah, we call it sea cake.
Cleans the aquarium, right?
Basically.
Yeah, vacuum cleaner.
Yes. Okay, so the reason why it's called alligator guy is because firstly of the mouth, and also they have very armor-like scales. So
Okay.
it's very hard.
Are they naturally like this, or is this an albino version?
Okay, so these are not albino, but they are also not naturally like this. Okay, the natural
so they're
color is
Oh, you have a natural one.
over here. This one over here.
Oh, you can't even see that because everything else is so attractive.
Okay, the white one is not because of albino. Usually albino, apart from the white coloration, they will also have red eyes. This one's over here have black. Okay, so they have a pigmentation condition called leucism, which gives them this white coloration, but it doesn't affect them in any way.
Oh my god, it's the dolphins. Why is no one here? There you go, there's one.
This is the dolphin panel.
Obviously.
Yes, and this is only one of the lagoons over here. Yeah.
Because people,
Later on
this is
when
not
you
the
head
one
up-
where people go in, right?
No.
It's coming out.
Oh, it's very rare that it actually comes out.
Oh, it knows the camera is here, so it's blue in color.
Yes, it's really blue in color.
Oh my god, that's the, what do you call that, a manta ray?
Yes, that is a manta ray. That one over there is Mika.
Oh, that is so big. I just missed it. But first we're going for dolphins. We'll come back to this later. Just missed the manta ray. All the soup. Still no photos? Alright guys, we just finished our dolphin experience and you guys probably saw the shots that Buddha helped us took a lot of nice shots, and now we are continuing our tour and I see also at the back, and the best part is the aquarium is technically closed now, so it's only for us and we have this whole beautiful aquarium for us to take pictures, to do whatever we want. It's so cool. So here's just another closer view of the aquarium. You can see one of the manta rays up there. They're massive, about 2 meters in wingspan. There's another big fish here. I mean, there's no easy way to show you guys how big this viewing deck, whatever you call it, is. Look at that. From here all the way there. And with the music playing is a really nice experience. There's another ray there. Hello. Ooh, there's the big one. That's the big one. That's the big one. Hammerhead shark. Really guys, if you have the chance, definitely come to the S.E.A Aquarium in Singapore. Hey guys, it's almost 7:30 p.m. now, so it's about dinner time. I've been editing this vlog for like the past 30 plus minutes or so, and dinner is gonna be at an Italian restaurant. It's gonna be really good, and I probably should just go down and meet them right now. So I'll see you guys at the restaurant. Okay guys, so this is Curate, the place we're having our dinner. It's about a 5 minutes or so walk from the hotel, very nearby. Okay, let's go in. Thank you. We get individual tablets for the menu. That's a massive flex. All of us are having the set dinner menu, and for the choice, we are having, two of us are having beef and two of us are having the cod. Hey guys, we just got back from dinner and that's the last thing for today. It's been such a long day. Let me get into my room and I'll tell you more about the dinner. It was really good. Right, so the food. So let me refer to my phone here. We had a 5-course menu and we started with the buratina, which is burrata cheese served with signature pesto and balsamic vinegar. There's some other stuff like tomatoes, cola and ice plant, but the main star is really the burrata cheese and the aged balsamic vinegar because the contrast of flavors was really good. It was something nice to start with. Then we moved to the spiced carrot soup. This is another good thing to start with, I guess. It was really like warm from the inside and you have really juicy scallops at the bottom of the cup. Next we had a small pasta dish. It's with langoustine sauce, with langoustine tails. Very seafoody, obviously, because it's langoustine, and I liked it. For the mains, there were 2 options. Some had cod. I obviously went for the steak, and oh my god, this dish was so delicious. The beef was cooked to perfection. I might be shaking this camera, sorry about that. There was truffle, freshly shaved truffle on top, and the sauce, what sauce was it? Truffle sauce was really nice. So when you cut the steak, you have a bit of truffle and a bit of sauce. Whew, it was so delicious. We ended with this thing called torta con bisceri. Probably I butchered that. But it's basically a dark chocolate on a risotto cake with raisin, pine nuts and candied fruits. For this one, I preferred eating it without the, without the raisin. The flavor just didn't match for me. But when I removed the raisin, it was so delicious. Overall, it was a fantastic Italian dish. Not dish, it was a fantastic Italian meal. As you can probably tell, I'm super tired right now and words are not even coming out properly. properly. Oh my god. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I've been up since 3 a.m. for the flight, for the lunch, the tour, the dolphins. The dolphins are super amazing, and then the dinner. So thank you once again to Resorts World Sentosa for arranging everything, and I can't wait for the main event the following day. So I'll see you guys then. Bye.